How to log out of your Amazon Prime on your mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Amazon Prime account on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Amazon Prime app. Now once you've opened the app, your interface will look somewhat like this. Now in order to log out of your account, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. And now you'll again have to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page, and with other apps, usually on the bottom side of the screen there used to be an option named logout, but in Amazon Prime there is no option as to how you can log out. So in order to log out of your account, you'll see the option named signed in as your name. If you tap on it, then it will simply ask you whether you really want to sign out of your Amazon Prime. So in order to confirm sign out, simply tap on sign out, and there you have it. Even if the sign out or log out option was hidden, you can still log out of your Amazon Prime app on your mobile device, Amazon Prime account on your mobile device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.